Hi guys, and I'm welcoming you back on Binary Options channel. Today is gonna be the simplest strategy, and I actually used that before and showed that before. And it's about the three indicators: the simple one, the nice one, two moving averages, and one parabolic star. It's perfectly seen on the chart. It's perfectly predictable, especially when we are just focusing on these indicators to combine. But I want to show it one more time for those who are actually were maybe unclear about the situations. We need to find the right situation to make a bet, and this is it about this strategy. So let's see. So we are starting with the setting ups, all indicators, all candles. Here's the period for the candles. Today we're gonna use the favorite one of all time, the moving average, and now we're gonna change the period. Let's set it like 24. Here's gonna be EMA, and the color, yep, you now may see it. The second moving average is gonna be with the 6 period, EMA again, and thickness. Okay, you may see it now on the chart also. Here, continue with choosing indicators. It's gonna be the parabolic star. This is like a, like a perfect trio. In some cases, we are changing all of it and observing the chart now. It's now perfectly seen all the movements that we may predict, all the charts changing, and we made the first bet for a down with the first small bet with the $100, and we see this movement is actually going and continuing, and we just predicting that the chart will not gonna go above this estimated level, and just let's see how it's gonna be in this case. And what we can see here, the chart started to go up, but we are predicted that it's gonna be lower than the level that we actually just put, and we were correct. The first bet, the first win, as we love it. We just switched to another chart, another currency pair. What we are seeing here, this is just like a drastic fall, it's continuing. Even if the chart like growing a little bit, it actually just the fall of the chart, and just see that we are just crossing to its supporting line, not the resistance one, and all two indicators just showing to us that the movement is actually for a downward. And we are just changed the bet, and we are observing, now we can see that the green candle just appeared, but all the indicators showing that the chart is going downward. So never mind, don't just look at this green candle, just watch the whole tendency of the chart. And we made our bet, we made it for a downward movement, and we just see how it's gonna be. And the moment of the moment of truth, and we see here that actually we made it. And it was a little bit tense, I was a little bit like, what is going on here? But the chart is falling, everything was downward, and were correct together with all indicators. And this one, like these three indicators, are actually quite simple. It's right on the chart, it's just showing, and repeating sometimes that's movement of the chart. And it's for me more convenient to look like right here on the chart and the below the chart and check all of that and combine all of that. So I love it. Just this strategy is one of my favorite. And just continue on our trading today. Here's the third chart that we have. We are raising our bet, and we are still making this bet for a downward movement. It's actually, you may see, I have in this moment some like thoughts. Maybe this chart is gonna go a little bit upper because it may not fall that much. But just these parabolics are the second moving average, the orange one, are perfectly showing us that we are still going downward. Actually, in the first one, also showing it. But we are not predicting this reverse movement because it's just falling, and continue to fall. Let's see. And our prediction and expectation and analysis, even it seems like, too long in the beginning because there was like some hesitation on the market, like going upward or going lower. But here we may see worked just perfectly. And another currency pair, another chart. And here it's seen a little bit better. There's this chart, yes, it's falling. It's still falling, but this green line may lie to us, and it seems like, oh, maybe it's gonna be the resistance, it's gonna be the straight line, but we are still expecting because two bottom lines are going just dramatically down. So that's what we are actually expecting, and it may fall even more. So let's see how it's gonna be. So now, observing the chart, we actually see that it's still falling. At some moments, it was it was the feeling that it may grow, but it never crossed the level that we were estimating, and we have this like a profit, 1,800. That's the good result. And the last chart for today, because it seemed like with this strategy, it's pretty clear how we trade and what we are expecting. And again, we see now the green candle, but all indicators are showing us downward movement. So this is what we actually made. We made this bet for a downward movement. I made another one because I just want to go full bank because it seems like pretty safe strategy if you find the right situation. And now we just check it. And what we can see here, again and again, the chart is lower. It's lower than we predicted. I mean, it's lower than we estimated, and that's the perfectly for us because that's the profit and the last profit for today. And I hope it was all clear, all fine with this strategy because it is just a simple and nice one, for those who want to be just more sure with the more simple indicators. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that and enjoyed this trading that we have today. I'm still in my Telegram channel. You can find all the free signals, all info about the strategies. If you need it more, you can find in my VIP chat also. I'm waiting for you. You can find all links in bio or below this video. Just give me some feedback, any comments, any news that you have, any profits or losses sometimes. And just stay tuned and we gotta get for some more. Thank you.